Hello friend, how are you? So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can scan documents for free on your iPhone. Let's get started with today's video. To do this, you need to have the Notes app. I'm telling you again, you need to have the Notes app. Simply click here. Now in the bottom right corner, you will see a pencil icon. You just need to click there. After clicking, you need to look below. As you can see here, on the three dots, click on the three dots and then these options will pop up at the bottom where it says camera. That's where you need to click. Okay, now as you can see, scan documents, okay? Click on scan documents and now watch if I want to take this. It takes it automatically. So guys, you all need to subscribe to me. This is a new video channel. You need to subscribe to it. I'm uploading videos daily. Look here, I'm uploading videos daily. Please subscribe.